Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start current affairs capsule, daily current affairs, September, day 25. Now let's start the lecture. As per the news, which state recently clinched the 14th Hockey India Junior Men's National Championship 2024? समाचार के अनुसार हाल ही में 14th हॉकी इंडिया जूनियर मेंस के राष्ट्रीय चैंपियनशिप 2024 में किस राज्य ने जीता? सो नेम ऑफ द स्टेट इज पंजाब. Okay, and Punjab won the 14th Hockey India Junior Men's National Championship 2024 by defeating Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and at the Olympian Surjit Singh Hockey Stadium in Jalandhar. Okay, so name of the state is Punjab and clinched the 14th Hockey India Junior Men's National Championship. Recently, which country has issued a special coin in honor of famous footballer Cristiano Ronaldo? हाल ही में किस देश ने प्रसिद्ध फुटबॉलर क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो के सम्मान में एक विशेष सिक्का जारी किया है? सो नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज पोर्तुगाल. ओके, द पोर्तुगीज गवर्नमेंट हैज इशूड ए स्पेशल कॉइन ऑनर ऑफ द फेमस फुटबॉलर क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो एंड वैल्यू ऑफ दिस कॉइन एट €7. Okay, and which is Ronaldo's jersey number? Okay, so name of the country Portugal has issued a special coin in honor of famous footballer Cristiano Ronaldo. As per the information, recently where was the 19th दिव्या कला मेला inaugurated? हाल ही में जानकारी के अनुसार 19th दिव्या कला मेला का उद्घाटन कहाँ पर हुआ था? So place is विशाखापट्टनम. Okay, the 19th Divya Kala Mela was inaugurated in Visakhapatnam by Andhra Pradesh Governor Sri S. Abdul Nazir. Okay, and fair showcased product from 100 Divyang artisans across 20 states and union territories and promoting vocal for local. And our Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Virender Kumar. Okay, so place is Visakhapatnam. As per the information, which ministry recently organized the International WAS Conference 2024? हाल ही में जानकारी के अनुसार किस मंत्रालय ने अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दैट इज WAS कॉन्फ्रेंस 2024 को आयोजन किया है? सो नेम ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ जल शक्ति. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ जल शक्ति. The International WAS Conference 2024 organized by the Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation, Ministry of Jal Shakti, held from September 17 to 21st September in New Delhi. Okay, location is New Delhi. Okay, and conference का theme था Sustaining Rural Water Supply. Okay, these are the theme of this conference. Sustaining Rural Water Supply. Okay, and name of the ministry is Ministry of Jal Shakti. As per the news, who was appointed as the CMD of National Aluminium Company Limited, that is NALCO? समाचार के अनुसार नेशनल एल्यूमिनियम कंपनी लिमिटेड दैट इज NALCO के CMD के पोस्ट पे किसे नियुक्त किया गया? नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज विजेंद्र प्रताप सिंह. नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज विजेंद्र प्रताप सिंह. Vijender Pratap Singh has been selected as the next CMD of National Aluminium Company Limited, that is NALCO, and he will succeed Sridhar Patra. Okay, and he will replace Sridhar Patra. Recently, Jafar Hassan has been appointed as new Prime Minister of which country? जफर हसन किस देश के नए प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में नियुक्त हुए हैं? So name of the country is Jordan. Okay, name of the country is Jordan. On 15 September 2024, Jordan's King Abdullah II has appointed Jafar Hassan as the new PM of Jordan, and Jafar Hassan was awarded Japan's Order of Rising Sun in 2020 for strengthening bilateral relation with Japan. Okay, so name of the country is Japan that provided Rising Sun order to Jafar Hassan. Okay, and Jafar Hassan has been appointed as a new Prime Minister of Jordan. Recently, who has been awarded the Rajbhasha Kriti Award? हाल ही में राजभाषा कृति पुरस्कार से किसे सम्मानित किया गया? सो नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज वेल, ओके, दैट इज भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रिकल्स लिमिटेड हैज़ बीन awarded the Rajbhasha Kriti Puraskar by the Department of Official Language, okay, and Sadasiv Murthy, that is CMD of WEL, received the award and conference held at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi, okay, and so who is the CMD of WEL? Sadasiv Murthy, okay, and WEL has been awarded the Rajbhasha Kriti award for this time. As per the report, which state has become the India's top GDP contributor? रिपोर्ट के अनुसार कौन सा राज्य भारत के शीर्ष GDP योगदानकर्ता बन गया? सो नेम ऑफ द स्टेट इज महाराष्ट्र, ओके, नेम ऑफ द स्टेट इज महाराष्ट्र. महाराष्ट्र रिमेन्स द लार्जेस्ट GDP contributor at 13.3%, okay, and but its share has declined from over 15%. Okay, so name of the state is Maharashtra has become the India's top GDP contributor. As per the information, who has become the new country manager of Amazon India? जानकारी के अनुसार Amazon India के ने country manager किसे बनाया गया? So name of the person is Samir Kumar. Samir Kumar has become the new country manager of Amazon India and he replaced Manish Tiwari. Okay. He replaced Mr. Manish Tiwari. Recently, where was the Nadi Utsav 2024 inaugurated? हाल ही में नदी उत्सव 2024 का उद्घाटन कहाँ पर हुआ है? So place is New Delhi. Okay, Nadi Utsav 2024 was inaugurated at the Indira Gandhi International Center for Arts, that is IGNCA. Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts in New Delhi, and it is the 5th edition of the festival. Focuses theme is rivers in rivers and making of a lifeline, highlighting the river ecosystem and their cultural importance. Okay, so place is New Delhi at Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts and Nadi Utsav, it is the 5th edition. नाउ इट इज़ अ क्विज क्वेश्चन. इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट सेक्शन में करना होगा. जिसका आंसर करेक्ट होगा उसके कमेंट के पास मैं एक हार्ट साइन दे दूंगा. ओके, एज पर द इंफॉर्मेशन, पेंच टाइगर रिजर्व सीन इन द न्यूज़ एंड पेंच टाइगर रिजर्व लोकेटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट? जानकारी के अनुसार समाचार में देखा गया पेंच टाइगर रिजर्व किस राज्य पर स्थित है? दिस आर द ऑप्शन: उत्तराखंड, मध्य प्रदेश, नागालैंड एंड राजस्थान. ओके, दिस आर द ऑप्शन. इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट सेक्शन में करना होगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब साइंस एक्सप्रेस. थैंक यू.